One of the most common signs of Alzheimer's, especially early on, is forgetting recently learned information.
How much forgetfulness is normal in seniors, and what's a sign of a progressive disease like Alzheimer's? Lakeview Hospital nurse Janet Davies wanted to learn more to help her sister.
About 4 years ago, we first noticed that her memory, she just wasn't remembering names, wasn't remembering where she placed things. It's a hard thing to watch. Such a roller coaster.
Experts at Lakeview Hospital in Covington explain the 10 early warning signs: memory changes, difficulty planning, solving problems, difficulty with familiar tasks, confusion with time and places, trouble understanding images, trouble with words, speaking and writing, losing things, poor judgment with decisions, withdrawing from activities, and changes in personality. This longtime hospital volunteer wanted to learn for his own health.
Sometimes I forget, I'll go to say something and then I'll tell you later, and then it'll come back to me.
Louisiana ranks among the highest in the country for the prevalence of Alzheimer's, and this is why it's so important to get an early diagnosis so you can help treat the symptoms. Lakeview's director of inpatient behavioral health for seniors sees this often.
Probably half of our population that comes in has some type of dementia. There are a lot of studies that due to how we eat, and healthy weight, sleep habits.
More insurance is now paying for early diagnosis with PET scans to help start earlier treatment. And she says the diagnosis affects more than the patient.
It's really very tough, not only for the patient, but also for the caregivers, because they really need so much care, support, so much education.
Because she says when there's one with dementia, treatment involves the entire family. From the Northshore, Meg Farris, WWL, Louisiana.
Lakeview Hospital Behavioral Health in Covington accepts patients any day at all times. And for more information on the unit for people 55 and older, we do have a link with this story on WWLTV.com.